Hey, this is Eric here. This is the closing report for the project Identity Solutions for autonomous AIs living on Cardano. There is a closeout report which can be accessed from the repository. Since I have very little time for this video, I'm not going to focus too much here. You can find all the challenges, the KPIs, the achievements, learning, etc. on this report. But I want to show the demo. So let's give more time for the demo. So we go back to the marketplace. I'm going to use this AI remove background here. At the moment it's off, you see here, but we're going to make it run from here. So we'll start the AI on this GPU. It's running. Well, it's starting. The expectation is 75 seconds, so I'm going to pause a moment and come back when it's started. Go to the run, and we'll generate a transaction. Now, before I generate, I'm going to show you as well the identity node in trace mode. We have our identity node here running. I'm going to generate this image, and now we'll have a look at what's happening. So request is initiated, this one is processing, and you see as the as the AI has processed the request, so the image is here, we start to have verifiable credentials being issued and being verified as proof, etc. So it takes a bit of time, like 4 seconds per transaction, within like 15, 20 seconds, half a minute maximum. You've got everything that is being done here. We have three things that were created. One is a proof for the AI, one is a proof for the user, and one is a proof for the GPU provider. And they have all received their proof of working. Let's see. So if we go to the certificates here, so the call was a duration of 2 seconds 27. There was a cost here in US dollar. So this cost here is the cost that the AI is charging the user. Now, if we go back to our dashboard, we're going to check that the GPU provider here, so running on this machine, it's got a new certificate here, which is the same, this one again, same transaction ID, 2 seconds, etc. And so the certificate has been issued, and a certificate has been issued also for my user. So here it's me. Let's see my certificates here. So caller, identity, caller again, and this is the same transaction. Right, so we have issued all certificates. We have deeds for everybody. The user has got a deed. The daemon has got a deed. The AI has got a deed. So this is the digital identity cloud agent, which then goes to deal with the Identis agent. So here from this one, we can have a peek into the entities that have been created. So here on this version, I was in kind of a testnet mode, so they're all called debug because of my testnet, but this is still running in prod. Here we are on identity.opensourceai.com, so it's prod here on my side, even if I don't use again is testnet. And I can check this admin here, which is my, it's going to act as the issuer, verifier. Basically, it knows everything else. All of those here are the AIs, remove background, sat talker, control net, etc. So if I go on the admin here, and if I know my key, I can access this entity, and I can see that there are two DIDs for the admin, one in fact for issuing and one for verifying. It's got peer-to-peer connections with basically everybody in the system because it needs to connect and verify extra. And it has already verified some proofs. And finally, it's important to recall that we have a fully documented API for all digital identities and credentials, etc., which can be reused in another project. In my particular case, I've logged a new proposal for Fund 13, which is called Login with Did, which will reuse a lot of these components. Thank you.